Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS margin left. CSS margin left shorthand property. We'll be using CSS margin left shorthand property to control our document. Right here, what we are going to do right now is that we are going to specify 4 values inside each space to be able to control the margin left. And this last value you are seeing right here is going to be the one that will be controlling the margin from the left. So let me show you how this works quickly in our document. Here we have this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about how we can control the margin bottom. Now we want to control the margin left. Let's specify another value right here, like we said earlier. Let's give this one 200 pixels so you can be able to see the margin from the left. See how it shifts. Can you see the margin left right here? Let me increase it so you can be able to see it clearly. Let's give it 500 so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? This is the margin left for you. So when you are trying to specify it, you can arrange all this. If you can check all the margin playlists, then you will be able to understand how you can control the 4 angles, the top, the bottom, the left and the right together, in the sense that to suit your taste, to suit whatever you want to do. So to control the margin left, this is what you are going to use. So let me use that 300 so you can be able to see is the one I'm controlling. Can you see when I reload it shifts to this side? So that's how you can control your margin left. Please practice this. And what akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day.